Rounding with a number line. In this lesson, you'll learn about locating numbers on a number line and rounding numbers to the nearest thousand using a number line. Let's discuss what the word rounding actually means. We use rounding to find a number that is closest to a specific place value in order to make numbers easier to work with when using operations. In other words, when we're using operations with really large numbers and we want to find a quick answer, rather than adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing the actual numbers, we'll use numbers that are close to our original numbers just to make it quicker. Let's take a look at how to do this with a number line. If I'm asked, what is 6,541 rounded to the nearest thousand? And I'm using a number line to answer this, I'll first put my number on a number line. I know it's pretty close to 6,500. Then I have to make sure that I'm aware of what place value I'm rounding to. Here, it tells me that I need to go to the nearest thousand, which means that I'm rounding to the thousands place value. On my number line, I need to show my thousands. Since my number is 6,541, I know that I should have on my number line the numbers 6,000 and 7,000. Then I need to ask myself, do I notice that 6,541 is between 6,000 and 7,000? I should. I am then going to notice that 6,541 is a little bit closer to 7,000 than it is to 6,000. Once I notice this, I'm then able to round my number to the nearest thousand. I should notice that 6,541 is closer to 7,000. That means that 6,541 rounded to the nearest thousand is 7,000. Let's take a look at another example. If I'm asked what is 9,500 rounded to the nearest thousand, and I want to use a number line, I'm going to go ahead and draw my number line and place 9,500 on it. Once I do this, I need to be aware of what I'm asked to round my number to. In this case, I'm again being asked to round the number to the nearest thousand. Since I'm rounding to the nearest thousand, I need to place the numbers 9,000 and 10,000 on my number line. Once I have done this, I should notice where 9,500 is in relation to 9,000 and 10,000. I should notice that 9,500 is exactly halfway between 9,000 and 10,000. When this happens, the rule of thumb is to round up, meaning that I'll always go to the higher place value and not to the lower one. That means that 9,500 rounded to the nearest thousand is 10,000. Let's take a look at one last example. What is 85,210 rounded to the nearest thousand? Again, I'm going to use my number line. So I'll place 85,210 on a number line. My next step is to remember what place value I'm rounding to. Here, it's the thousands. And since my number is in the 10,000s, I have to remember to place numbers on my number line that are in the 10,000s. In this case, I'll place 85,000 and 86,000. Once I have my thousands on my number line, I need to check to make sure that 85,210 is in fact between 85,000 and 86,000. And it is. So now I can think to myself, is 85,210 closer to 85,000 or closer to 86,000? I should then be able to see that 85,210 is closer to 85,000 than 86,000. In other words, 85,210 is nearer to 85,000 than to 86,000. In the end, 85,210 rounded to the nearest thousand is 85,000. Now it's your turn to try. Use the number line to complete the statements. Pause the video here and answer the questions below. Let's see how you did. Our number line shows 8,676. We're asked to find out what numbers it's between. Did you write 8,676 is between 8,000 and 9,000? Then we're asked to think about, is 8,676 closer to 8,000 or closer to 9,000? You should have written that 8,676 is nearer to 9,000 than 8,000. And finally, did you realize that 8,676 rounded to the nearest thousand is 9,000? Try one more. Use the number line to answer the following questions. Each of the green numbers represents a different number that you will be asked to round to. Pause the video here and answer the 3 questions. For what is 7,095 rounded to the nearest thousand, you should have gotten 7,000. When asked, what is 7,500 rounded to the nearest thousand, you should have chosen 8,000. Remember, when a number is exactly halfway between 2 other numbers, you always round up. Therefore, 7,500 rounded to the nearest thousand will always be 8,000. Our last question asked, what is 7,603 rounded to the nearest thousand? Since 7,603 is closer to 8,000, the answer is 8,000. In review, when rounding numbers with a number line, make sure you place the number on a number line. Then check what place value you are rounding to. You'll write those values on the number line. Decide which number the original number is closest to. And remember, if the original number is halfway between the numbers on the number line, the number is always rounded up. Stay tuned for the next lesson on rounding large numbers without a number line.